Once you've considered all the design factors, we need to install the distributed engine within your environment. So the first thing we need to do is add a site. This site is going to be my only site in this example. So I'm just going to call it TWC site, and we're going to click add site. We don't have to do anything or change any of these settings. The default should be fine. And if we go back to sites at the top, we can see that the TWC site has appeared. Once we've added the site, we can then go ahead and add an engine. This is pre-configured for the site that we want to select. So we'll go TWC site, and we'll go download now. Great, and now that you've downloaded the distributed engine, you'll want to get it on the distributed engine machine that you're actually going to deploy it to. So the best way to do that is to log into Delinea through a web browser on that machine, and follow that process to add an engine, which will download this file and folder. If we extract this file and folder, we will get an installer, and the installer is exactly what we need to run to get this set up. It's actually very quick and easy to set up a distributed engine for every single site. It'll just go ahead in the background right now and start installing. Should only take 10 or 20 seconds to install, and it'll actually appear straight away within the dashboard. So very quick and easy. Great, it looks like that's all done. And if we now go back to here, we can see that the distributed engine connection status is online, but it is pending. So right now, to activate it, we just go over to activate and click OK, and it will be all activated within the domain. This is how quick and easy it is to set up a distributed engine. If you need to set up more distributed engines and more sites, just follow these steps according to the design that you've laid out. One last thing that I would recommend before moving on is just actually creating log levels for these distributed engines. This is always helpful for troubleshooting, so if you ever need to go to support, they'll probably ask you for the distributed engine logs during that time.